Hello everyone, welcome to our new video where today we are going to be checking out the top 5 best blenders in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these blenders, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the Oster Versa Pro. The Oster Versa is an affordable professional blender that is an ideal option for everyone who is looking to make fresh appetizers, soups and blended drinks. From a design perspective, the Versa comes in a black color and is composed of a 5-cup food processor with a shredding disc and chopping blade, as well as 2 blend and go cups with a capacity of 20 ounces. In addition, the 64-ounce Triton jar is BPA free and dishwasher safe, so it won't damage your health one side, while on the other it won't take much when it comes to cleaning it. Thanks to the sturdy main container that has a top which slides easily, you don't have to worry if it is properly sealed, so you can start brewing your drinks easily. My remark is that the feeder cap doesn't seal effectively like the rest of the lid, so I think that Oster could have implemented a better feeder cap, but that's not a huge problem. The controls are intuitive and straightforward. At the bottom, there is the pulse button and reverse button. The reverse blend option is really useful since it runs the blades reversely for ensuring that there won't be any food left stuck. Now, let's talk about the performance. The Versa uses a patented dual direction blade technology, which means that the stainless steel blade will cut forward and backward with the intention to cut off the food quickly and pull it down to the blending vortex. This device is really versatile, so if you want to make a smoothie or a frozen drink, then all you have to do is just use the programmed settings and throw in some fruits and let it do its thing. The result is a tasty and healthy drink that will supply you with a lot of energy to keep you energized through your day. I want to mention that this blender can automatically shut off when it's done, so you won't be left thinking whether you have turned it off, excluding you from a lot of stress. Overall, you should definitely take this blender into consideration, and if you ever decide to purchase it, be prepared for drinking delicious and quality beverages like you have never tasted before. Next up, at number 4 we have the Vitamix E310. The Vitamix E310 is capable of changing your lifestyle drastically due to its features that are responsible for delivering healthiest drinks ever. From a design perspective, the E310 features a modern and compact design that is consisted of stainless steel razor-sharp blades that are 3 inches in diameter, so you know that every drink will be perfectly blended and served. In addition, the container has a medium capacity of 48 ounces, which is enough for brewing smoothies that will help you digest your small meals. The controls include pulse control and a variable speed control. That is of a huge help when it comes to brewing a precisely wide variety of culinary drinks. Now, let's talk about its features. What I like the most about this blender is that it can easily grind nuts and coffee, which are always welcome for improving the juice's flavor, and let you make plenty of recipes. You shouldn't even hesitate to brew some frozen desserts, such as ice creams or even hot soups. I'm really surprised that you can do many other things, and at the same time, the Explosion performs really quietly if you compare it with other products. So, regardless of the number of ingredients you intend to use, you won't get annoyed by the noise. I also want to mention that it doesn't take too much time to clean it, since all you have to do is just apply some warm water and in less than a minute the blender will shine. If you want to make thick vegetable soups that will taste incredibly good, I would suggest you to use the pulse feature, because it does its jobs perfectly well and I really loved it. Before we end, I really like the fact that during your brewing, the blender will stay stable and tightly closed, so there won't be any undesirable moments or juice that tastes bad. To conclude, the E310 is definitely a good option for you thanks to its versatility, so you won't go wrong if you ever decide to purchase it. Moving on, at number 3 we have the Hamilton Beach 58870. The Hamilton Beach 58870 combines super blending with a whisper quiet performance, something that isn't found often in blenders that come in this price range. From a design perspective, this model comes in a glossy silver and dark grey combo, making it suitable for any kitchen decor, and it's composed of a shatterproof jar with a capacity of 32 fluid ounces. The other components include a temper, stainless steel blades, and a powerful 1500 watt motor that makes everything a lot easier. I really like that Hamilton has decided to include a temper because you won't have to put in a huge effort in order to blend some frozen or hard mixtures, which are always welcome. I want also to mention that Hamilton has included a shield which sets the noise to the minimum, so when you're ready to start operating, just place the shield over the jar and you're good to go. The controls consist of a dial that is positioned slightly above the lower part of the device, and you can choose its 4 preset programs by turning the dial. The 4 preset programs are placed at the left of the dial and they include the clean, puree, crush and smoothie option, while on the left side there is the intensity level from 1 to 10 which you can take an advantage of and create your perfect drink from it. Now let's talk about the performance. The blender stainless steel blades are incredibly sharp and quick, or to be more precise, they rotate with 105 miles per hour, so regardless if you have applied an ice or any tough ingredients, they will be cut within seconds. The cleaning process is very easy, because by adding some warm water and clicking on the clean button, the blender will clean itself quickly and effectively without having to wait much before you start making your favorite smoothies. Overall, this model should be on your priority list if you don't want to spend much but you want to taste incredibly delicious drinks that will be done really quickly and easily, so definitely it's a great product. Moving on, at number 2 we have the NutriBullet MBR1201. NutriBullet is a well-known company that produces versatile and easy-to-use blenders that have plenty of features for helping you make your ideal drink filled with rich flavor and smooth textures. From a design perspective, the MBR1201 features a modern and compact glossy gray design that is accompanied by one tall cup, 2 short cups, a handled lip ring, 2 resealable lids, 1 milling blade, and 1 extractor blade. In addition, the high torque motor of 600 watts will help you blend even the toughest ingredients without any problems, so you can use a variety of recipes in order to try plenty of healthy drinks. Since this blender is made of BPA-free plastic, you shouldn't worry about your health, since the NutriBullet can only increase it or improve it, and this is what I and most people look at first before purchasing a blender. Before we move to the next section, I want to inform you that this model has only one speed, but this doesn't mean that it does not perform well. Thanks to its system, you can chop, grind, blend and shred your ingredients with fascinating results. Now, let's talk about its features. The MBR1201 uses a patented stainless steel blade design that performs a cyclonic action, which means that it breaks down your food into pieces, pulverize it, and it will get all of the hidden nutrition inside, so your drinks will taste natural and be as healthy as possible. If you have problems with digesting food, then the NutriBullet will be of huge help because it blends the fruit to the perfection by creating drinks that are easy to swallow. You shouldn't hesitate to add some herbs or nuts in order to enrich your juices even more. What I like the most about this blender is that the cleaning process is really convenient due to its detachable lid and blades, which makes it easy to access and assemble at the same time. To conclude, the MBR1201 would be an ideal option for you if you're looking for an incredibly powerful blender that comes at a really affordable price. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Breville BBL605XL. The Breville BBL605XL is an extremely silent and versatile blender that is made of BPA-free, shatter-resistant and dishwasher-safe components, which means that the drinks you make are going to significantly improve your health and you can use it for years as well. From a design perspective, the Breville features a sleek silver design with a user-friendly and intuitive interface where each of the buttons is unique and plays a huge role in the blending process. The buttons had caught my attention due to the fact that they are illuminated, so you can read them clearly and use them if you ever feel thirsty during the nights. In addition, this model comes with a large Triton polyester jug that has 48 ounces of capacity, a heavy-duty 750 watt motor, a ring pull lid and a stainless steel blade that cuts your ingredients with a surgical precision. But now, let's talk about the performance. As I have stated at the very beginning, this model is extremely versatile. There are 5 speeds such as the snow, mix, blend, liquefy and puree, so you can use them with the 3 preset programs, which include an ice crush pulse and smoothie accordingly. You will quickly notice that next to them there is a circular shaped timer that will notify you when your drink will be done. But what I like the most about this blender is its quiet operation. Even if you apply a bit tougher ingredients paired with good amount of ice, the blender will blend them really quickly with a barely noticeable noise. Of course, this doesn't mean that it doesn't make noise at all, but the noise isn't that annoying if you compare it with other models. The smoothies, for example, are really tasty and they are mixed well, so the texture is easy to swallow and this surely comes as a huge addition. Overall, you should definitely take this blender into serious consideration because it is capable enough to drastically improve your overall health condition, but also to blend variety of ingredients, which is the key for producing naturally flavored drinks. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the prices and more information about these blenders, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching and I will see you in the next video.